So this is why I have to switch the door panels to the black ones I just had. So, but this is what... Oh shoot, Siri's talking to me. Oh, whoa, this thing's rolling back. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
I want it, I like it, I buy it. I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet.
What up guys, welcome back to another video. A lot of people are sleeping right now. It's kind of early. It's around 7 a.m. False. It's around 8 a.m. My bad. We woke up early because in Sac right now it is infuriating in temperature. Let me know what's the hottest temperature it is at your place. But right now in Sacramento we're reaching peaks of like 106, 107 like a Fahrenheit. It is freaking insane. I'm not gonna be working outside in that heat. So right now it's around 80 degrees. It's perfect right now. Okay, we're gonna go outside, start switching all the parts that we are from the Golden G to the other G. We're gonna try to do the trunk, the seats, the back seats, maybe remove the hood from the Golden G and put the OEM one. So without further ado, let's begin today's day. Here we go.
We are running out of time anyways. We put a car cover on it because 107 degrees, bro. Are you serious, bro? That's just way too hot. So also, for those wondering that you guys saw this remote on the car that came, yeah, this G35 also came in with the Viper alarm system installed. So what this does, shows you like a little image, so you can see it's locked now, but you can unlock it and it'll tell you if it's unlocked like that. Then you lock it. But it also comes with self-start. Here's how it works. You just press this 3 times slowly and it should self-start. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Alright y'all, we're 5 minutes into this project. I think we should be able to take this off. One-handed maybe. Oh, this is quite heavy. I might have to get out my G35. But I can't have it like that, honestly. I'm not even a racer, so like I'd rather have the back seats, you know? If you want to take a seat, you can. Let's go ahead and remove those back seats, and then we're gonna go ahead and jump into these. Alright guys, to remove these back seats, not that I want to make it a tutorial or anything, but just make sure to unplug this thing in the back, alright? Just give it a nice little oh fuck. Oh, there you go. I guess I did loosen it. We have a full gutted G. Alright, we should be pretty much done with this. Alright y'all, we finally got the back seats, the front seats. We got the G fully gutted. I was unbolting the seats and I was freaking lifting up this thing and look what I found. Pretty sure it belongs to the owner because, you know, he does sell Hot Wheels or kind of these collector's cars. Look at this Liberty Walk GTR candy blue. Alright y'all, we're about an hour in. It's already getting kind of hot, and we just took off the front seat. A lot of crap here we gotta clean. Got some. Here comes the satisfying part. I was able to clean most of it, but it does have some stains, right? I'm not sure what the hell they were doing in here. And then, here on the side, we got more hairs than a damn raggedy cat, bro. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're done. We installed the seats. There you go. Black seats, hopefully, mostly everything's black now. It's barely 10:30 a.m. and it's already insanely hot, dude. Alright guys, I managed to freaking switch out the seats. All the interior, at least as far as seats, was switched out from 8 a.m. to like, I don't know, maybe like 11. Now we got the G with the full, I don't even know if you can tell, but it's got the full tan interior. It kind of goes with it, I'm not gonna lie. The yellow and the tan is not bad. If you guys saw on my Instagram, I asked you guys if I should freaking what kind of percent kind of tint is good, right? Because with these 5% tint, trust me, they look absolutely beautiful on Instagram and photos. When it comes to nighttime, it's the worst, bro. Honestly, at least for me, I cannot see shit. I do not got x-ray vision, so this is freaking insane. So I was thinking about going like 20% 15% or something like that. But honestly, with this heat, oh my god, like honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna take them out because this heat is pretty intense. I don't know why cops make this illegal. Maybe it's for identity purposes, but dude, it's needed. With this sun is just absolutely insane, at least here in California. When the sun goes down, hopefully around 6, like 5 hours later, holy crap, this sun is crazy. This sun, you just cannot work out in the sun. You just can't. And holy crap, we'll wait later to switch out the trunk, and hopefully we'll have enough time to go out into the sunset and take some fire pictures of the car with this purple, with the carbon fiber trunk, because you guys want to see that color combination. But we are going to be wrapping the car, so the color will be changing, unfortunately. There is a similar color to it called 3M Wicked, but it's just not the same color, man. I have a sample booklet so I can show you guys, but I do want to show you guys here the color difference here real quick. Do you guys see this color? It's really attractive. It's a really good purple. Obviously, I don't know what the color code is, so I can't really color match the bumper when I get a new one. Closest color to that is this Gloss Wicked 3M, but this does have like a blue-red sparkle to it. This doesn't. It's like, this one's like a very like light but dark purple at the same time. This one's a lot more darker. It's a lot more blue purple. This one's a lot more like pinkish purple. And so it's just not the same. I don't think it's gonna hit the same. It's 5:40 p.m. right now. I'm still waiting maybe a couple 2 hours so that we can go outside and finally put the carbon on. But we have it here in my room actually. Alright, and we also have the hood. We took off the hood too because we're about to put the OEM one on the G35 so that we can prep it and hopefully go to a new owner. I am gonna be talking about the wrap because I do want to show you guys. I want you guys to know what you guys think. I picked a couple colors to see which one you guys think is best, and we'll see, but I'll talk about that in another video. Was it that windy yesterday? How the hell did this get off? The trunk is gone, the hood is gone, the seats are over here in the new G. Today's kind of weird. Y'all saw yesterday when I was changing out the seats, it was blazing in heat and the sun was freaking sizzling that skin. But today it's supposed to be even hotter. Yesterday we reached 109. Today it's supposed to be like 110 or something. But I don't see it happening. Look. Yo, I'm not even making this up. We just took out the trunk. As soon as we were taking out the trunk, it starts raining, bro. For no reason. What happened to the 109, 110? You know what's the worst part? Is that it feels like 109 and 110. You can feel the heat, which is bad, and it's also raining. Welcome back. I don't know why they look tan. I don't know why they look tan in the back, but they're actually black seats. It's just the sun is probably hitting it wrong. But man, these tints, bro, in the day, bro, they're honestly a blessing, bro. I fucking love these tints, bro. But at night, bro, it's way too sketchy. Yesterday when I literally, my girlfriend lives super close by. I went to go drop her off, and a cop just goes right by there by the houses, and I turn around in the side mirror just because I'm freaking paranoid as hell, right? My windows were down. I took this car. He takes a fat U-turn, turns on his light. I don't know why my first instinct was to run away. So what I did, I just freaking zoomed through the streets, turned off my lights, and woo, freaking go somewhere, bro. But holy crap, dude. That was pretty scary. Anyways, I'm kind of getting used to the manual. You know, I've stalled way less now. To be honest with you guys, I think the clutch is wearing out, so I am gonna have to get a new clutch for this car, maybe an action clutch or something. But yeah, it's wearing out. But right now, I'm just trying to get used to this clutch a little. All right, guys, phase one has finished. Phase one, pretty much swapping the whole interior of the G35, and then also putting on my Honeycomb carbon fiber trunk. So without further ado, let's go ahead, take a look. As you guys see, look, they rub, you see? No space, they're rubbing right now. And I want to save my seat, so this is why I have to switch the door panels to the black ones I just had. So, but this is what, Oh shoot, Siri's talking to me. Oh, whoa, this thing's rolling back. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. What the fuck? Did you guys see that? Holy crap, the car was rolling, bro. I swear I put the e-brake on. I might have to freaking readjust that or switch it out or something. What the hell? With the door panels, we're pretty much gonna complete everything. It'll look super dark. There are some diamond stitch carpet that pretty much cover the entire carpet of the ground here of the car, but they cost around like $200. I don't know if that's really worth it, but we'll see. Maybe if the time allows and the money, maybe we'll do it. But oh shoot, it's on the G. I've always wondered what my carbon trunk would look like with the gloss color, because I always get a satin color, and this time, yeah, I gotta admit, it looks really good with the gloss. It looks really good with the gloss, man. Pretty much the next phase here that's gonna go on in the next video is probably gonna go ahead, switch out the headlights of the G35. We're gonna switch the door panels, and then I think that's gonna conclude next video. Possibly switch out the exhaust, and I think that's the last thing I need to complete this transformation. And that's pretty much it. I already took off the hood, but I'm not gonna put it on there because I'm gonna go get it sent to get repaired and stuff like that. We're selling the G35. If you're interested in the golden G35, let me know. It is gonna include all the parts, like as far as performance, like the tune. I am taking a catback Z1 exhaust, so if you want, I'm gonna retune it. I'm gonna retune it on this exhaust that this car has, and yeah. But if you're interested, let me know. Besides that, guys, thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next video to complete the transformation of this G and freaking selling the other. So without further ado, stay safe out there. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.